Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. I just wanted to show you this simplistic website just here. Very simplistic, very straightforward. There isn't anything complicated on this page. We're not bogged down by the footer and all the links in the footer and all the jargon in between. This page has been fully SEO optimized as well. So we've made use of images and text within the back of the page as well as at the front. Yeah, I just wanted to show you really a simplistic homepage layout. Look what happens when we make the screen smaller though on this particular website. So let me just go into developer tools. There we go. So we're in developer tools here, and all of a sudden we've got this navigation bar that appears at the bottom of the page. So this is ideal if you're on maybe a mobile phone to easily navigate around the website. Maybe you want to post an ad, and you want to click on post an ad, or you want to just go to the classified homepage and carry out searches for items for sale or something like that. So very simplistic, but a great tool here with the easy navigation. And that comes onto the page around a small tablet size. So once you get to the size of a small tablet, I think it's around 972, 973 pics or thereabouts. But as you get down, as that screen size gets smaller and you're on them mobile devices, you've got that easy navigation. And this navigation bar also changes when people are logged in as well, so that they can navigate their account. Because if they're a member on the website, it's important that they can easily access things within their account, like the log out button. So the login button changes to the log out button once they've logged in. And there are other buttons as well. For example, they can check customer inquiries, or they can check reviews, or they can post an ad from within their account, and they can navigate to their own account homepage as well. So there are several different links here. These change once a person's logged in. But I just wanted to show you this website and just show you the simplicity of the front of the website. Yeah, when you get into it, the back end, has got a lot going on. There's a classified section. This is focused on the business side of the website, but there is a classified section within the website as well with a classified homepage. Um, so it's just to give you some ideas again. If you need help implementing any of this, you can reach out to membershipwebsites.net and I'll be happy to help you, or give you some ideas, and point you in the right direction. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.